Okay, welcome back to CareAbout tutorials, and in this tutorial we're going to have a look at scrolling marquees. Scrolling marquee is a line across the bottom of your website which you can put words or links on that will just scroll across the bottom of your page. So let's suppose that we want to bring something to people's attention by saying that the next event is in Manchester. We want to run a scrolling marquee across the bottom of our homepage. So to do that, we go into the admin suite. We go into add content to the home page. We go into add a widget. Add scrolling marquee. We want it at the bottom, so let's call it number 5. We're quite happy for it to be in content. Let's stick with a recommended height. I'm going to have this as 950. I'm going to run it through quite slowly. Advanced CSS is there in case you want to, first of all, have the skills to use HTML, but secondly, you want to be changing the font or the color or turning it into a link, for example, of the text as it flows across. Background color is just the color of the marquee, so let's just choose a bluish colour of some description. Right, pause enables you, particularly if it's running across quickly, to pause the text on hover over. And you can add hyperlinks in the text by using the following syntax. You cut and paste that in, and then you put your link here, so wherever it is you want to take the link to. But we're not going to worry about that. In this occasion, what we're going to do is we're going to say next event Manchester, 28th of November 2010, adult, free style, and we just update the widget. Changes have been saved. It's never a bad idea just to check on the system that there is indeed a scrolling widget there. Go and have a look at the site itself. We're on the home page, refresh it, and as we can see, 950 is actually very slightly too long. So I'm going to go back in again and I'm going to take that off. But as you hover over, you can see it pauses, and that's actually true of anywhere on the marquee. So 950 is a bit too long for this particular site. So let's just go back in again, and we're going to edit that. Edit the scroller widget, and we're going to say 920. Update the widget. Go back into the site. Remember, this is cached, so you have to remember to refresh the page. And there it is. So maybe 930 would have been more even, but obviously one can play with that. Okay, so thank you very much indeed, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.